Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you thinking about updating your look with acoustic wall panels? I love the way that these ones from JVJVJ look, but also how they function. My husband and I are in the middle of creating a rec room out in our warehouse, which means we're dealing with a lot of open spaces, metal surfaces, and loud noises. I've noticed since installing these foam panels that things are quieter, and that makes me so happy. I put these ones near my craft areas so that I can create without a lot of auditory interruptions. I was able to cut these to make my geometric pattern on the wall using a utility knife and then a very sharp pair of scissors. These come with double-sided adhesive patches that you can use to hang them on the wall. I've had them up for several weeks and they have not budged at all. So this is very, very strong adhesive. I got the camel and black color, and I would say these are true to color. JVJVJ has other colors to choose from though, so you're sure to find the ones that are perfect for your aesthetic. I think that these look fabulous. I'm so pleased with them, and that's my point of view.